Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about RF optimization of 5G, 4G, 3G and 2G mobile network. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update from us. What is RF optimization? RF optimization is one of the key challenges in any cellular network. Optimization is a continuous process and helps in understanding the shortcomings in the network. These shortcomings in terms of coverage, QoS, can be set right with the appropriate measures. Optimization helps in spectral efficiency. Optimization will be continuous and iterative process of improving overall network quality. Area of interest is divided in smaller areas called cluster to make optimization and follow-up process easier to handle. RF optimization includes defining missing neighbor relations, proposing new sites or sector addition with before and after coverage plots, proposing antenna azimuth changes, proposing antenna tilt changes, proposing antenna type changes, BTS equipment filter changes, retuning of interfered frequencies.